How to make the best burger bun. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make the best and the most yummy burger bun recipe. So the first thing I'll do is to pour in my flour inside the bowl. I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients, my yeast, my salt, my sugar, my powdered milk. I added my powdered milk. I added sugar. So you are going to check the description box for the full recipe. I'm going to be dropping the measurements in the description box. So I added salt. I added yeast. So I'm going to add in my warm water. So I added my margarine. You can use either margarine or butter. Then I'm just going to give that a mix. Once I am done mixing, I'm going to transfer it to my work surface. Then I'm going to knead it for at least 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, I'm just going to place it in a bowl and let it rest for at least 1 hour. So I'm just going to prepare my egg wash. For the egg wash, I'll be using half cup of milk to one whole egg. So after an hour, you notice that it has doubled in size. So you are just going to punch it down to remove the excess air from it. So I'm just going to cut them into sizes. The next thing you are going to do is to form that ball shape. So you are going to roll it and form a ball shape, like a round shape. So you are just going to roll it on the ground to make sure that those holes are well covered, and you are going to make sure the shape is very round like this. So once you are done, the next thing you are going to do is to egg wash your bone, your burger bone. You're just going to egg wash it. What you are going to do is to add in your sesame seeds. So you're just going to be putting in your sesame seed as toppings. You are going to bake it on low heat for at least 15 minutes. So after baking, this was the outcome. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.